Hi guys, I'm Steve, creator of this online barista training course, and here we help home baristas, hospitality staff, and cafes make better coffee consistently with this simple guided process in this online barista training course. In this program, you'll get 2.5 hours of video content split into easy bite-sized lessons for you to follow, as well as 80 pages of supporting documentation, cheat sheets for you to keep handy by your machine, and a private community of people learning the same things you are so you can all support each other together. I'm going to teach you how to master your coffees in 5 easy steps. First, we're going to get you knowing your equipment. No matter what machine you're on, we've got your back. Then we're going to get you onto a perfect espresso. We're going to cover everything from freshness to the pour itself. Then we're going to master your silky milk, and we're going to get you making that really nice microfoam. And then we're going to fast track you to latte art. And then we're going to show you how to look after your machine via cleaning and servicing so it never breaks down on you. The best part about this course is you get lifetime access. You're not stuck with just 2 hours of a one-on-one person training session where you've got to take notes and hope you absorb all the information. Here, if you're struggling with something, you can go back to that section and learn how to master grind all over again so you can get it right that second time. You don't need to share your time with other people. You can go at your own pace and learn the way you want to learn. Nobody wants to drink lousy coffee, but most people don't know a lousy coffee until they drink or serve it. After training hundreds of thousands of people, this course effectively wrote itself based on the needs of everyone I've met before yourself. I will show you the telltale signs of a bad coffee so you never have to drink or serve a bad coffee ever again. In my career, I worked as a head barista, a cafe operator, a coffee representative, a coffee technician, a head trainer. Over the years, I've noticed that people say different things and there's lots of myths and everyone does it differently and it's confusing. I like to make things simple, and that's what this course is all about. And it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied after going through the entire course. So if you're a home barista looking to make cafe quality coffee at home, or you're in the hospitality industry and looking to upskill, or you're looking to get employed in the hospitality industry, or you're a cafe looking to get all your staff on the same page, this course has proven to be a hugely beneficial tool for people like you. I've never trained anyone that wanted to learn this stuff that couldn't do it. You can make awesome coffees for yourself, that business, or that job. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and if you're ready to master your coffees, I look forward to seeing you inside the course.